Confused between either, neither, and both? Don't worry, this confuses a lot of students. But by the end of this video, you'll understand it perfectly. First, let's talk about either. Either means one out of two options. Sounds simple, right? You have two choices, and any one of them is acceptable. Example: buy me either a black shirt or a white shirt. Wait, what does that actually mean? It means the speaker wants only one shirt, not both. Black works. White works. So the speaker is saying, I'm fine with either one. Here's the easy formula. Either equals one of two. Simple enough? Good. Now comes neither. And this is where many students get confused. Neither means not this one and not that one. In simple words, 0 choices are accepted. Example: I need neither a black shirt nor a white shirt. So what is happening here? The speaker doesn't want the black shirt. The speaker also doesn't want the white shirt. In other words, they want none of them. Here's a quick trick to remember everything. Either equals one option, both equals two options. Neither equals 0 options. If you memorize just this, half the topic is done. Now pay attention because grammar matters here. When using either, we use a singular noun. Example: either day is okay. Did you notice something? We say day, not days. Why? Because even though 2 days exist, only one will be chosen. Makes sense? Now let's do the same with neither. Example: neither day is possible for me. This means both days were offered, but the speaker cannot choose any of them. Again, singular noun. Still with me? Great. Now let's understand both. This one is easy. Both means the two options together. Example: both days are possible for me. This means the speaker accepts day 1 and day 2. That's why we use plural nouns here. Now here comes a special case. And trust me, students often miss this. Look at this sentence. There were houses on either side of the street. Interesting, right? Here, either side actually means both sides. There were houses on the left and on the right. Now one final concept, and this one is very useful in daily conversation. Example A says, I didn't sleep well last night. How can B agree? Neither did I. That means, I also didn't sleep well. Sounds professional and grammatically correct. In casual English, people say, I didn't either. Or, me neither. And before this video ends, here's a common mistake. A lot of people say, me either. That is wrong in standard grammar. The correct phrase is me neither. Let's recap quickly. Either equals one choice. Both equals two choices. Neither equals no choice. And that's it. Not so confusing anymore, right?